It's going.
Roll, bitch, roll.
Shh, naughty words.
Shut the fuck up.
That's not very nice.
You're not very nice.
I know.
She's going down.
Faster!
Oh my god. She totally grabbed the water thing and squirted.
Let's do it.
Yeah, but she's already down. We should have started when she was up there.
We don't have that. Would take a long time. She'd get up before we got there.
No, I'd run, grab it.
I don't see her.
Neither do I.
Ooh, trees. Well, that was hot.
Yeah, I tried.
Enough.
Here, let me have my hot face on.
That's hot.
Oh my god.
It's Deborah! She's coming! Woo! She fell.
Faster, faster, faster!
Did I not make it all the way down?
Come on, Deborah!
You can do it!
Hurry! You're gonna finish!
Bitch!
Woo!
And that's how it's done.